Hello, my lovely students. Today we are going to do some story problems. Now, I already have 2 story problems written up here, and what we're going to do today is I am going to do 2 story problems with you guys, and then I am going to give you guys 2 more story problems to do by yourself, okay? And when you do those story problems by yourself, I want you to write them down and post a picture of them on Twitter, Facebook, Seesaw, or put them in the comments down below so I can see what your answers are, okay? Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so here are our 2 story problems we're gonna do first. So I have one right here, and step number 1 is we have to read it and figure out what this problem is asking us. We have to determine if it is an addition problem or a subtraction problem by listening to the words. So here we go. James has 6 balls and George has 2 balls. How many balls do they have all together? Let's read it one more time and I want you to listen. James has 6 balls and George has 2 balls. How many balls do they have all together? So is this an addition problem where we need to put the numbers together, or a subtraction problem where we need to take the numbers apart? What do you guys think? I think it is an addition problem. Since it says how many balls do they have all together, it wants to know how much James and George has if we put them together. So let's do that. I'm going to draw some pictures. So first it says James has 6 balls. So I'm going to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then it says George has 2 balls. So I'm going to draw 2 more. 1, 2. We know that it is an addition problem. So we know we need to put these 2 numbers together. So let's go ahead and put them together and see how many it equals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We kept counting to put them together. We have 6 here for James and then 2 more. So we're going to 6, 7, 8. So that means all together they have 8 balls. And we can also put this as a number sentence. 6 plus 2 equals 8. So it goes to both of them. All right, very good. That was an addition problem where we put the numbers together. Now, let's do this one below and figure out what kind of problem it is. Jane had 10 pennies. She spent 3 of them. How many does she have left? So, let's figure out what this problem is asking us. It says Jane had 10 pennies, so we know she starts out with 10 pennies, and then it says she spent 3 of them. What does spent mean? Usually, when you are spending money, it's when you are buying money. So for example, if you go to the store, maybe you want to buy something. So you go to the store and you say, "Hi, can I please buy this marker?" And the cashier will say,
"Yes, ma'am, you can buy that marker, but that will be $5, please."
Okay, $5? Here you go. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
I just spent $5 to buy this marker.
okay, so now we know what spending money is. It's when you use it to buy something or you give it to somebody. So now that we know that she spent 3 of them, that means she gave her money away. So is she going to have more money or less money now that she spent it? She's going to have less. So I think since she's giving the money away, we are going to have to take away, making this a subtraction problem. So let's check it out. She started with 10 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now we know that she spent 3 of them. That means she's giving them away. So we're gonna have to take some away. We can mark them off to remember. We don't want to draw more because then we would be adding, and we want to take away, subtract, because she spent those 3 pennies, she's not gonna get them back. So 1, 2, 3. Now the question that it has asked is, how many does she have left? So now we're gonna count the ones that are still here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 left. Now you can write that as a number sentence, like this. She started out with 10. Then we subtracted 3. And that equaled 7. All right. Now I am going to give you guys some story problems to solve at home. And I want you to please post your work on Facebook, Twitter, or Seesaw. All right, here are my 2 problems for you to do at home. Sarah was eating a snack. She ate 7 chips. She was still hungry, so she ate 5 more. How many chips did she eat? Now it's your turn to figure that problem out. And I'm gonna go ahead and read you the second one so you can figure that one out too. 5 frogs sat in a pond. 2 hopped away. How many frogs stayed in the pond? Okay, those are the 2 problems that I want you to do at home by yourself. I know you're gonna do an awesome job. I miss you guys very much. Happy learning. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Seesaw so that you can show me your work. Bye.